Hello, good day everyone. For today's presentation, I'm going to present a self-introductory Pichakucha. I made this one for educational purpose, specifically for compliance in our subject purposive communication. Let me introduce myself. My name is Angel Oknip and I am 18 years old and I was born exactly 12 a.m. in the morning of the December 24, 2006. With regards to where I live, I am currently residing at Upper Banicap, Galas, Dipolog City. I am the daughter of Mrs. Rowena Oknip and Mr. Alfredo Ala. We are six in the family. I am the second child. I have a brother. Her name is Anthony Ala, and I have two sisters. Their name is Elsie and Eliza. Let's proceed to my primary education. I studied elementary at Gulayon Integrated School. I was just a normal student. I also experienced being bullied by my classmates. I don't belong to a huge circle of friends because I don't like conversing or interacting with people. And now, let's proceed to my junior high school journey. I studied junior high school at Galas National High School. I'm just a normal student who participated school activities. I also enjoy my high school life. To complete my junior high school journey, I also have friends. Their names are Shala and Ria. They are the ones I spend the whole school year with and talk to. They are also fun to be with. When I stepped in senior high school, I transferred in Zamboanga del Norte National High School. From there, I met different personalities and different kind of approaches from people that surrounds me. In my grade 12 level, I transferred back to Galas National High School. I met a new circle of friends. Their names are Lydell, Daniela, Angel Ann, Joy, Renaland, and Rovelyn. And now that I'm already a college student, I've become more passionate and independent, and I am taking up a diploma tourism and hospitality technology at the Polog School of Fisheries. Regarding to my characteristic, I am a jovial because I am a joyful kind of person. Carefree because it's free from worries, trouble, and responsibilities. Optimistic because I have a positive outlook in life. I also have cousins. They are the ones I have been with since elementary school until now. Their names are Lydell, Angel, and Cherry. We always help each other, schoolwork, and etc. My zodiac sign is Capricorn, the 10th sign of zodiac symbolized by the sea goat, being practical, ambitious, and disciplined with a strong work ethic driven by a need for structure and goal-oriented long-term perspective. In terms of my music taste, I love the music of Taylor Swift, Olivia Rodrigo, Celine Dion because their music is sounds nice and soft. My favorite writer is Joey Robbie and Ken Spears. My favorite cartoons movie from my childhood up until now is Scooby-Doo. And my hobbies, I love reading Wattpad books from my favorite authors or writers. Then I also love watching anime because of its unexpected plot twist and not the typical storyline. I love also baking because it is a relaxing and stress-reducing activity. It allows for creative expression and engages the senses, and it fosters a sense of accomplishment. These are my favorite online games because they offer multiple benefits including stress relief, mood evaluation, social interaction, skills development, entertainment, convenience, and the purity to connect with a global community. My favorite color is light pink because it is calming and soothing, often associated with sweetness, innocence, and reserve shyness. Light pinks promote optimism and positive outlook, giving an impression of calmness of levity. My motto in life is embrace your journey. Self-love is the instrument of preservation, means you should accept and appreciate your personal life path, including its challenges and growth. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation, Picha Kucha. Have a nice day.